this floor is gonna have to get taken up.
Yep.
The floor in here is gonna have to get fucking taken up. We're gonna have to move out the washer and fucking dryer.
I'm trying to clean it up.
The floor, the fucking tile floor under her fucking bathroom is gonna have to get torn out. This is gonna cost like a lot of money to fix now.
You might as well pull that motherfucker down too.
What?
That one is dripping. It's gonna fall out anyway. It's gonna fall out anyways. That one, yeah. Wait, not in the bucket, baby.
I didn't try to get it in the bucket, honey.
You know, where's that thing that's not running into the fucking...
Oh, yeah. All our shit over here is all wet now.
I swear that way, too. Yeah, there are other things, dude. I think I woke up